again, math friends. Today we're going to be looking at prisms, lateral area, surface area, and volume. So what are we going to learn? We're going to learn how to take the formulas for surface area, lateral area, and volume for a rectangular prism and apply them in word problems. Today we're looking at Precision Construction Company. We're going to hire them to come and do some work for us. So we want them to paint the walls in our living room. Well, here's a model of our living room. Our living room is a rectangular prism. You can see the dimensions below, 23 feet by 17 feet and 11 feet tall. So we need to find the area of the walls. That would be the lateral area of this prism. The dimensions of this rectangular prism are 17 feet wide, 23 feet long, and 11 feet high. Lateral area is the perimeter of the base times the height. And that would be the height of the prism. So to calculate the perimeter of the base, we take twice the length of the base plus twice the height of the base. 2 times 23 plus 2 times 17 gives us 46 plus 34, which is 80. We plug that back into our lateral area formula. 80 times the height is 880 square feet. So the area of the four walls of a living room is 880 square feet. We're going to paint the ceiling, but before we decide to paint the ceiling, we want to make sure that we protect our couch. So we're going to create a cardboard box out of pieces of cardboard, and we're going to slide that cardboard box over the top of our couch. We want the couch to be completely inside the cardboard box. That way we won't get any paint from painting the ceiling down onto our couch. The couch is 7 feet long, 3 feet wide, and 4 feet tall. That means our cardboard box needs to have the same dimensions, 7 feet long, 3 feet wide, and 4 feet tall. To make the box, we need a top, a bottom, and the 4 sides. So we need to calculate the surface area. The formula for surface area is 2 times the base area plus the lateral area. In this case, our base is 7 feet by 3 feet, so our base area is 21 square feet. Let's put that off to the side. Now we need our lateral area, which would give us our 4 sides. That's the perimeter of the base times the height of the prism. Let's put that off on the side. Now let's calculate the lateral area. Twice the length plus twice the width of the base. 2 times 7 plus 2 times 3. 14 plus 6 gives us 20 feet as the perimeter of the base. Let's put that off to the side and now go back to our lateral area formula. The perimeter of the base we found was 20 feet. The height of the prism is 4 feet. 20 times 4 is 80 square feet. Now let's go back to our surface area. The formula is 2 times the base area plus the lateral area. Our base area we figured was 21 square feet. Our lateral area was 80 square feet. Plug those back in. 2 times 21 plus 80 gives us 42 plus 80, which gives us a lateral area, a surface area of 122 square feet. Look carefully at these calculations. Look at how the problem was solved, the steps involved. So we need 122 square feet of cardboard to create our protective box that's going to enclose our couch in order to protect it. Now we decide to have the ceiling painted. The ceiling is just one surface. But what are the dimensions of the ceiling? Look carefully and see if you can determine what the dimensions of the ceiling would be. Well, we need to see and realize that the dimensions of the ceiling are exactly the same as the dimensions of the floor. 23 feet by 17 feet. So if the dimensions of the floor are 23 feet by 17 feet, the dimensions of the ceiling are 17 feet by 23 feet. So we need the area of the ceiling. The ceiling is a rectangle. Length times width, or length times height, or base times height would be the area for a rectangle. So we take 23, multiply it by 17, and we get 391 square feet. We're also going to replace the air conditioning in the living room, and we need to know how much air the room will hold. Well, for that, we need to determine the volume. The volume of this rectangular prism. To calculate volume, we take the base area and multiply it by the height of the prism. The base area in this case is length times width, which is 23 times 17. That gives us 391 square feet. Then take the 391 square feet, multiply it by the height of the prism, and we get 4,301 cubic feet. So the volume of the room is 4,301 cubic feet.
If you liked this video, please click on the thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please click on the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified when new videos are posted, please click the bell.